This is Toyota Yaris 2016. I'm going to make all smart keys lost. Okay, using Lonsdor. Go to Toyota. So backup is success. Now we are going to generate emergency key to on the ignition. This is emergency key. So it's success. Now we are going to on the ignition first. To try different types to on it. Unhappy on. Okay. It's not sit on.
الضغط شغال.
الطريق فيها. الطريق فيه. Let me hold switch ignition on, then I will come back again. It directly start the car to me, not on the ignition. Okay, let's try to add the key, but I have to off again and I need to on again because okay, so now it's on. So now I'm going to add a smart key. I try more than 50 times, then it's on the ignition today. I don't know why. So it's success. It's successfully programmed now. This is Toyota Yaris 2016 plus. We did the all smart case lost using Lonsdor Pro. It's 2016 actually, not 16 plus, 2016 model this car. So it's 3, before was 2, now it's 3. It's 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, all is same. Let's see. Now try to on the ignition before I disconnect device and try the key. So it's okay. Try to start the car. It's also okay. Everything is fine. And this I use the Lonsdor to make that smart cages. It's 2014, 15, 16 Toyota Yaris. Thank you guys.